Alright guys, how's it going? I know it's been a while since I posted, but it's winter time, not doing much, and but today me and the wife decided to go for a hike here at Sterling Nature Center, and we were gonna try to do some snowshoeing, but yeah, there's not much snow. So there's no point of using the snowshoes. Well, we can walk perfectly fine through the snow. But yeah, it's pretty cool here. We've come here before. Never walked where we're walking right now. But yeah, we got to see a deer out in the field. Yeah, just enjoying ourselves on a Sunday before we gotta go. Well, I gotta go back to work, unfortunately. But yeah. Here, we'll bring it along. There's the wife. She's complaining because it's cold. You enjoying yourself, hon?
I am.
Yeah? Even though you're cold?
Yep. Keep moving, stay warm.
Oh yeah, I can't believe how many deer tracks are around here. Yep, that's what we're doing. Going for a hike. I'll bring you guys along for a little bit. Here's part of the, I don't know how you're gonna see it, but yeah, it's a little trail, little field. Well, summer's over that way. Is where we seen the deer. There was two of them. But yeah, there's the lovely wife.
Dude, this circles around the road.
No, it looks like it's going. Oh, them deer tracks. There's probably some up. Oh, there's one way over there. I don't know, I'm new to the GoPro, but there's a deer. Right about there, out in the field. Well, that's actually right along the edge of the, I think there's, no, it might not be the road. Pretty cool. Alright, onward. I don't know, you gotta love it. The deer are smart. They know that we can't hunt this area. So the deer know they're safe. Shit, if I wasn't keep on yapping, probably see them even closer. Yeah, deer is just walking along like nothing's gonna bother it. Well, I'm gonna let you guys go so I can enjoy the hike with the wife. But if you like this video, I know it's gonna be a short video, but if you like it, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our adventures that we have. And we plan on, well, this coming up week we were planning on going winter camping, but it's supposed to be like in the negatives, so we're gonna postpone that. We're gonna just keep on watching the weather, but that'll probably be the next video that I put out with the winter camping up to the Salmon Reservoir. But till then, talk to you later.